Beginner English Story: The Secret Artist. This is a short story about a woman called Alex. Alex is an artist. She loves to paint and draw. Every night, when her children are asleep, Alex gets out her paints. She usually paints in her living room. She sets up her table with all her painting equipment. She always needs brushes, paints, a canvas, and some water. Sometimes it can get a little messy. Alex loves this time in the evening. She can relax and enjoy her favorite hobby. Alex is trying out something new. She is using watercolors. She is experimenting. Alex likes to try new things. Her favorite colors are orange, yellow, and red. She likes these colors because they remind her of autumn. Autumn is her favorite season. Every night, Alex paints for 1 or 2 hours. Sometimes she creates paintings for other people. At the moment, she is working on a new painting for her son's bedroom. He loves the color blue. He also loves the seaside. Alex is painting him a seascape. When Alex has had a busy day, painting helps her to relax. She always sleeps better after she has been painting. It usually takes her 10 minutes to set up her painting area. She listens to her favorite music while she paints. When she has finished, she packs everything away. This takes her about 15 minutes. She has to make sure that she cleans the brushes properly. Then she puts her painting somewhere safe so that it can dry. Alex thought about turning her hobby into her job. But she decided that she wants to keep painting as something fun. She doesn't want to have to worry about money and selling her work. Each day, she looks forward to her time with her brushes, her paints, her favourite music, and her artwork. She calls herself the secret artist. Maybe one day she might become a full-time painter, but until then, she is happy to keep her hobby for herself. What is your favourite hobby? Tell us in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this short, lovely English story. Thank you for stopping by.